Hello guys, so welcome to my channel. So I actually went to the market the other day. I came across this red hard looking fresh tomatoes, so I decided to pick them. So I just noticed they were very cheap, so I decided to pick as much as I needed, and I paid a little money for this. So when I brought it home, I thought of, okay, what am I supposed to do with this? Started making stew. So even if I had used all the tomatoes for stew, it would have still remained, and because I didn't want it to get rotten, I decided to think of something else to do with my fresh tomatoes. So in this video, I'm just going to show you how you can preserve your red tomatoes. So in this case, we are going to make tomato powder. So I hope you watch this video to the end, and also remember to like my video, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Please show me some love by sharing the video with your friends. Thank you. So for the powdered tomatoes, all you just need is your fresh looking tomatoes. Then you need some chili pepper. If you notice in this bowl, I decided to remove some of the seeds from the chili pepper because the chili peppers are very hot, so I actually had to take some seed out. Then I just left few behind, I think about 3. Then I have some scotch bonnets. I had to include scotch bonnets, so in that case I had to take out some of the seeds from the chili pepper so that I won't end up with a very spicy blend. So to make this tomato powder, you're going to slice your tomatoes into round sizes so that it can dry quickly. So I have this sharp knife which I'll be using to do that. This is a better way of storing your tomatoes over a long period if you don't want to use it immediately. But I've been seeing some women in the market drying their tomatoes, but I don't think theirs is hygienic because most times they don't actually rinse the tomatoes well. So I'm just going to take my time to show you how to do this in a better way at home. Once you're done slicing, you have to spread this over a flat surface. So I'm going to also do the same with the scotch bonnets and the chili peppers. So now we are also done slicing the red chilies and the scotch bonnets. I'm also going to transfer this onto a flat tray. So now I have 3 options for you. You can decide to sun dry this, or you can leave this in the oven to dry for some hours, or if you have a dehydrator, you can also use it to dry this. So I'm going to place this under the sun. It's going to take about 2 days for this to get dry. So because I'm staying in the northern part of Nigeria, the sun over here is very hot. It can almost dry up a human being. By the way, you can also get the tomatoes dry. Take about 2 days for this to get dry. So I'm going to keep these under the sun. I actually transfer the excess tomatoes into another container. Guys, so welcome back. So this is the second day. I've dried both the tomato and the pepper. Everything is well dried and crisp. So it's now time to blend it. I'm just going to combine everything together. Like I told you, it took me about 2 days to dry this. You may have to dry it more than that. It's dependent on the temperature of where you're located. After drying this, the tomato and the pepper will shrink, so you should expect this, and it will become very small compared to when it was fresh. So guys, this is what it looks like after blending. You can use this to make tomato powder stew. So I think you should take a close look at it. It looks very smooth and nice. So I'll be using this to make tomato powder stew in my next video. So watch out for that video. And also thanks for watching my video. Please do remember to subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day. Bye.